A long time ago, a new chapter began. A chapter that soars beyond imagination. A chapter that created history. Savex Technologies started at the back of a Maruti and today stands as the largest private Indian ITC distribution house. How did we get here?
So year 1985, Anil and I, Anu Jagesia, become the team. Both of us are professionals coming from families of academics. Anil announces that he doesn't want to work with anybody. He wants to have his own startup.
So in 1985, the new PCs got launched. The personal computer was born around that same time, about a year or so back. And India announced a new computer policy for computerization in the country. That's where an idea came into me that this is a future of technology, this is the future of where mankind is going to be. I gave an idea to Anu and we said we must do something on our own, and Savex was born around that same time. Yeah.
So it started with a staff of exactly 2, the people you see in front of you. And there was nothing we didn't do. We went for deliveries together, whether it was Lokanwala or Computer Point at Worli.
Today, Savex Technologies, a once upon a time startup, is spread across 107 cities, with a supply chain that delivers to over 725 towns, with 43 state-of-the-art warehouses and 25,000 shipments a day, all with the help of our 1,200-member massive Savex family that have grown together to a 13,500 crore revenue today and still believe in the values of a startup.
So one of these things that Anil Anu created all these years, this ethos of the family culture. Everybody working here should feel that this is a family to work. It's helped us. Our attrition levels have been very, very low.
When we say people, it's actually teamwork, and the team has been around with us for a very long time, right from the inception, and most of the people for the last two decades or so. So that's what makes Savex, it's people.
Savex, the success story that I think that has worked for Savex is the entire team that was there earlier and are now have always mentored the new talent that we have brought into the company. We have made it a point to make sure that our experience is passed on to the next generation of business leaders.
Leading brands that have helped us help them and partnered with us on our way to the top. And we continue to grow. With a supply chain team of over 100 years of experience, we deliver to any corner in India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and from the Andamans to Sir Creek in Gujarat. And our top engineers help solve customers' business problems using our vendors' state-of-the-art products and solutions.
We were one city operations and we built up a pan-India network of branches and delivery points. So the organization has become extremely large, but we continue to remain agile and nimble. And I think the organization has the energy for doing business the same way for the next 30 years.
With our 39 branches and 42 warehouse locations, we could able to serve 650 cities across India, within which we have unique way of delivering HP consumables in 19 cities where we deliver same-day delivery.
We're on the cusp of Savex 3.0, where we go into new business models. Some of the things we're seeing in the market is a consumption-based model, both in terms of devices like mobiles or laptops, as well as data center equipment like servers, storage, networking. Savex is leading in that area, and we already have multi-million-dollar projects where we are offering this as a service to our customers. We see this as something that will grow in the times to come. In addition, in our distribution space as well, we are now going beyond India. There are projects that we are delivering in almost 200 countries, and we are developing the capabilities to go multi-geography and offer this as a service to our vendors as well as our channel partners. So today they're not just delivering to every corner of India, but we're ready to deliver to every corner of the globe.
We are also online, where we provide end-to-end operations for our vendors and provide customized project-based finance offerings. The journey has just begun, and it looks promising in the future of information technology and communication solutions. With hunger for growth, we are on our way together, onwards and upwards. Savix Technologies.